going to be doing a little science experiment for school, but we're also going to make a YouTube video. So we have an owl pellet, and we're just like to dig into it and try and find stuff like bones and stuff. I want to show you guys this really quick because so I don't really know because I've never done this before, but I'm going to try. My first video in 2022, so here we go. I got these like pinches, I think, to like get out, and I have like this thing. So do I unwrap it? Okay. It kind of looks like a mini burrito. Okay. Ew! It's like, oh, it smells like chocolate. Ew! Ew, 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 ew. It feels like rock. Ew, this goes. It's a barnyard owl, and he has some stuff. If maybe you guys can try this at home, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos, by the way. So it eats it, and then it kind of like spits it out, and I think it turns into this, I'm guessing. There's like hair in it, okay. So I guess I just start digging? Okay, I want to find a skull. Oh, there's a lot of cool bones. I don't know what it is. Is that a bone? I don't think so. It's definitely not a bug. Wait, it's just a claw? I think it might be a mole, right? I think it is. Is it a rat? I don't think it's a rat, right? Yeah, it's definitely a mole. I can see the eyeball. Oh, that's like an actual eyeball. That's disgusting. Oh, I feel like I'm a dentist right now. Get it? But instead of picking out teeth, I'm picking out bones. Like a Maya. I don't know what this is. Oh, this is gross. You guys don't know how gross this is to get off these pieces. Like, just like, maybe pull this off. There we go. Even once we like see the eyeball of it, it looks so creepy right now, guys. Just so creepy. This is the head. I think it is a mole. Right here, guys. Is this a mole? I think it is a mole, guys. I think it is. I don't see it. What's the skull? We gotta find the skull. When we find the skull, that's what we know it is. Oh, I think this. Yeah, this is definitely a mole. It has like claws to like, you know, like what's it called? Dig. Dig. Guys, look. I think it's a mole. But like I said, it could be anything. These don't look like bird legs, huh? These look too small to be mouse legs. I think it's a mole. We figured out what it is. Right here is the skull. And this is a mole. I knew it was a mole. I wish I had gloves right now, but I don't. So maybe I should use the bat. Yeah, this is a mole, guys. This is. I'm trying to get all the hair off. Oh, my people. I'm so sorry about that. But we're going to continue. Wait, I found that bone. The teeth. You can see it like that. I'm going to hold it really gently, but you can see every bit of it. Standing up. Oh, this is good. Wait, is that a bud? No. Looks like a bud. I found two. Okay, guys. This one looks a little easier. I'll probably get this out. Get it out right here. I think this like. You can see the teeth. There's like another one at the front. So that right here. Here, I'll pick it up for you guys again. Where's my claw? Where's my claw? Right here. I just want to show you guys it's in this scene. Oh, that's like teeth. I found teeth, guys. But there's like one right here. I'm going to try to get out real quick. Oh. That one. I got a lot of bones to show you guys. So. thanks for watching my videos. If you like it, please leave a like and subscribe. It helps me support the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!